Sweet. Oh man, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. No vlog camera this time. We're starting it off on the GoPro. And check it out, we're at a state park. Kind of cool. This place is actually really close to my house. We're trail riding today with my dad. Dang, dude. It's so rocky. This is how you pinch a tube. Dang, dude, they cleared out so much of these woods. Used to, you couldn't even see back there. All right, here we go. First trail. Very rocky. Luckily, I don't have that much pressure in my tires. Today, we're gonna work on form a little bit. Looking ahead, what is this? Hill climb experience riders only? I've hit that hill climb. Boys, I'm trying to work on my attack position. And today's a good day to do that because we're trail riding, having fun. Pretty chill little day. I get to work on my throttle control. I need to work on keeping my elbows up as well as keeping riding on the balls of my feet and looking ahead. I'm really bad at that. This is a fun little trail, nice and smooth. We used to come here and ride all the time. However, it's probably been about 6 or 7 years since I've been here, so. Oh! Sketch! Woo, already getting some arm pump. What is this, a little campground? OC's campground. Cross-country travel prohibited. I guess we can't go back there. Dang, dude, they got glass out here. I bet you people come out here and just drank so much beer. This would be a cool place to come camp though. I guess we go this way? I don't know. It does not look like we were supposed to come this way. Yeah, definitely not. This is like a little dock. Oh yeah. Clutch is gonna get smoking today, boys. Felt like my high idle was on. There we go. I don't even use my high idle. Oh, trees! See, now this is the kind of trails that I like. Yeah, I don't exactly know if we're supposed to be back here, but whatever. I see a little jump I want to hit if I can. Oh, never mind. Yeah, so I was saying earlier, the cool thing about this place is that it's a state park. Dad's back there wheeling over the puddles. Nah, I'm good. I'm trying to keep my bike as clean as possible. I don't like mud. It takes longer to clean off. Mud bog? I want to go check that out. Oh, it's like some Braden Price type shit. Oh, I'm sorry, clutch. Oh, tree branch. I guess we go that way or that way. I don't know. Yeah, I'm going around the puddle. What is this? Do not enter. Well, that makes it easy which way we're supposed to go. Back around the puddle. These trails are kind of fun, nice and wide. Oh, outside. Ooh, big mud puddle. Woo, that's deep. We're back to the parking lot. Need to let my clutch cool down anyways. I don't really like riding on the road because rip my knobbies, but we'll go over to this side. Ooh, spoopy. I thought this place felt bigger because like we did that one little loop so fast. Maybe I was just younger and slower. Whenever you're ready, you can lead. Climb. Oh! 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 Big splash. Yeah, I do not feel like getting wet and cold today. It's like 37 degrees. When you live in the South, that's not normal. Oh! This bike's too fast. This bike is honestly too fast for the trails, but we don't ride trails that much. I'm never going more than quarter to half throttle. This. I'm slipping the clutch first gear most of the time, and when it opens up, shifting up to second, and even then I'm bogging a little bit, so. Whoa. This place is one of the first places that I actually trail rode. When I was probably, I don't know, I'd say 11 or 12 maybe. We actually came here with some of our friends who let us borrow a little 70 dirt bike for me and my brother to ride. Well, it didn't last long because we were too scared, and we ended up going around like one trail and scared the absolute shit out of me, and then we just rode in the parking lot. But it was my first time actually riding, so this place has a lot of history, I guess you could say. How did we end up over here again? What? We're back where we started pretty much. Oh, big rocks. Not the tube. Oh, my hands are hurting today, boys. Trying to keep these elbows up. Beginner loop? Where's that? That's right up my alley. Oh, slow down. About to get me in the lake. That's what I'm saying. I just hit it one time in second gear and it gets sketch. That was not a very long beginner's loop. My feet hurt because my boots are tight. Oh, this is where we, wait, is it where we just came from? I don't know. Little rock jump. Yeah, that is where we just came from. I'm getting so confused. Who needs a recluse clutch when you have a 450? This is literally just the idle of a 450 and we're going like so fast. Pulling the front wheel up in third gear while I'm leaning over the front of the bike. God. Clutch master! We don't stall on this channel. I need to tighten my chain again. Ugh, I'm tall. Ah! Handies hurt. My phalanges are on fire. I literally have 3 goals for today. 1, have fun. 2, stand up. And 3, don't pop a tube. Ah! 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 Come on. Goal number 3, come on. My clutch is probably smoking right now. Man, it's so much work riding this thing in these trails. This is a good little downhill right here. Daggone, brother. I have no idea where we are. Oh, here we go. I'm sorry, clutch. I'll let you cool off after this one. Daggone! I just smacked a damn tree. Oh, yeah. Nice one. I gotta let my clutch cool down. Someone broke a visor. Alright boys, GoPro battery's almost dead, so we're gonna head back to the truck. We just took a little break, let my clutch cool down, because God knows it needed it. Alright boys, my GoPro died before we got to the truck, but we're going back out for our second ride. We have for a long time the first one, so it's either gonna be this one or the next one that we call it. But when I got back, I jumped off my bike and slammed my knee on my foot peg, and it hurt like absolute shit. It's probably giving me a sign that I need to buy some knee pads. Bro, I am freezing right now. Golly, I took a break and now I'm freezing ass cold. Kind of gotta pee, not gonna lie. Hitting all these rocks and stuff, it's like, yeah, you get the point. I don't know if we've been on this trail yet. Dude, I gotta pee so bad. Whee! So rocky here. Dude, this would suck to ride if it was like wet. All these rocks in the wet would be so sketch. This bike is too much, man. If I was riding trails, I would not have this bike. This is a good little trail. Now that the rocks kind of went away. She's got some horse torques. Ah! Almost hit a tree. We're getting it at a good pace right now. I'm just first gear. Not really cruising, but first gear on a 450 is more than enough. There's some AA guys that come here going through these woods, 3rd or 4th gear. It's crazy. Not me, cuz I'm out. There we go. Little hill climb. Woo! Whatever side of the woods we're on, we found a good little trail right here. The red trail. Whee! Oh, rocks! Oh, yeah. That Cowie rumble, baby. All right, boys, update. Just took a whiz. It's amazing. Now I can ride. All right, this is a side-by-side trail, so this might be really fast. It is. Where now? Wheelie over the pond. Dude, I don't know where I'm at. Here, you ride this one. I want to hear my exhaust pipe too. Be careful with the brakes. Whoa, this thing has no brake, dude. This is bad. Oh! Ah! Your front brakes are gone.
Well, I noticed there's no brake.
Like it doesn't even work. Can't even stop. This isn't even a trail. Oh my god, I can't stop. Oh my god, I couldn't find the rear brake. Bike sounds good, son. Alright, this is gonna suck. Stop, 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 stop. I can't stop. We can switch back now if you want. I'm gonna get it up this hill. Actually, never mind. There's lots of rocks. I like my tires having air in them. This is supposed to be for side-by-sides, dude. This would be sick on a side-by-side because they're pretty damn tight and there's like hills and stuff. I think we've about covered almost the whole park. Let's go by where the campers are, where the Seca race used to be, and see if we can find any back there. Not following the arrows, but there's nobody here. It's literally just us. Oh, I see where we're at. We're at like the entrance. Nice. Dang, dude, there's a lot of campers. This would be cool to come out here and camp and ride dirt bikes, but I mean, there's not much to ride, to be honest. We already covered the whole place. Dude, this is crazy. They got a whole, like, playground here and stuff. Apparently a lot of people come camping here if they got the funds to do all this. Alright, well, I guess let's try and, I don't know where to go now. I guess let's go over by the red trail. Ah, don't go in the lake. That would suck. Ah, it's really small. You wanna go find that red trail again? Oh yeah. Nice. Yeah, okay. Oh! You wanna see some real endurance? Whoa! Whoa! I almost went into a tree. Little jump. I want to go hit that. All right, boys. Let's try to hit this double. Ooh. Hold up. It scared me, but it's not that big once you get up to it. I'm going to kick this rock out of the way. Kick both of these rocks out of the way. That way I don't spin on them. All right, boys. I'm going to hit this one more time, and then we're going to end off the video. That was good. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed, please consider liking and subscribing. Until next time, I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.